Hi guys, this is Parag. I hope you all are good. Today we are going to see the second part of the input in Python. In first part we have understood how the basics are working for the input function. Now we are going to discuss one small program. In this small program we will give some multiple inputs and create some small output or a short kind of application we can say. Okay, so let's start. Here we will give some input and in output we will get some information. So write a program to read data from keyboard and print that data. This is the problem statement. Okay, so you can also code with me. I'm going very slow, so you can also code with me. Just start your Jupyter notebook and start coding. So we have created here one variable, person number. Okay, see, we'll create here person number as variable. Okay, is equal to, see, int input enter person number. Okay, how to write this? See, int, give the parenthesis, then give input, inside that give the parenthesis and enter person number. Okay, in this way we will give the input. In second line we will give the person name. See, person name. We have created the variable person name equal to, again, input enter person name, because person name is always word and that is considered as a string into Python. So here it will get the string, so we have not done this typecasting. But person number means there will be any number, so here we have done int of input to typecast that into the integer. Okay, as we have seen previously that the Python takes input and gives it as a, this function gives back the string only. Okay, next line. See, we have created person salary as the variable, as a person sal equal to, we are typecasting this into float. Inside the float we have given the input enter the person salary, then next line remaining code I will copy directly. Now you can understand this. Okay, line by line. See, in next line person salary sal, then in next line person address, okay, is equal to input enter the person's address, then next line variable married is equal to bool value. As we know that it, bool means it's nothing but boolean value, true or false. Okay, means yes or its output is, see here, true or false. That's why we have created here boolean value. Okay, see, inside boolean, in this complete parenthesis we have given input. Okay, input of persons married or not, and here true or false, so he should mention there true or false. Okay, on next line In next line we will print the details whatever we have taken from this above lines, from first, second, third, fourth, and this sixth line. Okay, whatever input we have taken we will print in next line. See, print, please confirm the information. Okay, so this line will come there. Below that line we will print person number, comma. This is to just give the our string information into print statement, then comma c, and here our variable number, variable name, person number. See, this variable we have mentioned here. Okay, are you getting? See, this variable I am talking about, this variable person number we got here. Okay, now the second person name variable we have put here in line number 13. Okay, then this person salary variable we have given here in print statement. Okay, then fourth one is the person address. Okay, we have given here as a person address. Okay, I hope you are understanding this. Okay, and last one is the status, married or unmarried. So let's start printing line by line. Okay, one second. I will comment out other lines, so we will take the input line by line. So let's run this program. I will minimize the size so you will understand how the program is running. See now, print, please confirm the information, and we will comment out the below lines. Okay, see, so enter person number. Okay, first it is got executed. Okay, uh, let me comment out this line also. Okay, and these all things now will come line by line. First person number as input, then person name, then person salary, then person address, and then marriage status. Okay, so we are entering here line by line. Okay, so let's start. Enter person number. Suppose we will give his number is maybe the roll number 1 2 3 4. Okay, I press the enter. After that, enter person name. See, person name. Okay, this second line got executed. Person name Parag, then person salary. See, this is the float requirement, so we will enter person salary. So salary we will take 10 point or 70.5. Okay, enter. Then thousands, in thousands we can say. Okay, 70.5 thousand. Then address, person's address input, it will asking it is asking here. See, address, suppose India, enter. Then person married or not. See, we have to give here true or false. If married, yes, so we are going to give true. Enter. And now please confirm the information. Okay, this line came here, whichever we have given here in previous statement. Okay, So now we will run this remaining part of the code in next cell. Okay, here let me add some lines. So whatever information we have taken we will print here. First print please confirm the information. So this statement come here. Okay, please confirm the information. Now we will comment out the second line, print the person number. See, second line, person number. So it came person number 1234. Now we will comment out the third line, person name. See, person name Parag. Now we comment out the fourth line, person salary. We got here 70.5 as a person salary. Now person address we will comment out. We got India. Okay, in similar way, last the status person is married or not. So we got here true. Okay, in this way this small program worked. So you can practice this on your own. I hope you are understanding very well. And okay, thank you and goodbye. Have a nice day.